what this is a 2006 Chevy HHR. And we're going to be replacing the headlights. As you can see, the headlights are all fogged up. I don't know if you can tell in here, it's the actual amber part. That burnt part right there looks like a little heart. That's actually melted. So that's the driver's side, that's bad. Passenger side, equally as faded. Yes, we could polish this up and clean it up, but also the amber is starting to melt inside there too. So we got these headlights here. Eagle Eyes, bought them off of eBay. They're about, at the time when I bought these, they're about $100 for a set. And this is what they look like. Pretty much factory replacements. Got the amber, it's got some bulbs in it, regular, comes with bulbs. This side is the driver's side, right? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these headlights out and put the new ones in. But to do that, to get to some of the screws, you have to pull the bumper off. So we're gonna pull the bumper off. There's some, I don't remember. There's some bolts somewhere underneath there, and there's some bolts that hold on the headlight. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So let's get at it. All right. So there's some bolts here. Here and here. Here and here. It's a 7. I'm gonna take those 4 bolts out. There's other bolts on the fender well. Take those out, and then there's clips for the rest. Here. One Christmas tree. Oops. Alright. Got those 4 Christmas trees off. I use one of these pullers. Comes right out. Very loose. These are like these rivet ones where you pry this end, and then pull the whole thing out. Oh boy. Now we did it. Side markers are there you go. Alright, so now hold here, here. New one. Here's the old one. I don't know which one looks better. This one already has bolts on it. Yep. There you are. Bolts. Now there's these tabs, those little slots up here. Yeah, correct. Well, they work. This one, the other side. Probably just pull the connectors off. Yep. Oh, here's the old one. Right in the garbage can. Look at that. Let's connect these guys. Yep. Get it up in there, and there's little tabs.
I can't see.
There. It's in. We'll test it. Ready? Does it work? Sweet. Screws. You didn't know you'd be the star of this video, huh?
It's my car.
It's your car. Your car, you're the star. Alright. Now, let's put the bumper back on. I have a whole bunch of LEDs right here. So I'm gonna pick whichever one's the brightest. Still on? Okay, put the bumper back on. Stick it. Just like those shows. Ready? Just like if you do the close, just throw it on. Okay, so the bolts need to go. There, that's that. And then you just take these Christmas trees. These go in the fender well. Press it in.